Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you? Today we're going to talk about diazepam, a medication that works as a muscle relaxant and helps us to calm down. If you've wondered how it works and when to use it, this video is for you. First, let's talk about what diazepam is. It's used to treat several things like anxiety, muscle spasms, and seizures. It can also be helpful if someone is going through alcohol withdrawal. And how does it work? Diazepam increases the activity of certain chemicals in the brain that help to calm the central nervous system. Now let's talk about how it's taken and in what dose. It's super important to follow the doctor's instructions very carefully. Normally, you start with a low dose that can be adjusted according to how each person reacts. For anxiety, a normal dose to start with is usually between 2 and 10 milligrams, about 2 to 4 times a day. For muscle spasms, the dose can vary between 2 and 15 milligrams a day, divided into several doses. Let's talk now about the side effects and the precautions that need to be taken. Some people may feel sleepy, dizzy, or weak. In very rare cases, it can cause serious allergic reactions. It is important to avoid alcohol while taking diazepam. You should also not drive or operate heavy machinery until you know how the medication affects. In short, diazepam is a very useful medication when used correctly. Always remember to consult your doctor before taking it and follow their instruction. Take good care of yourself and stay informed. See you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.